Good evening. Today we are going to study how to write like 42 practical way to start working on self-improvement with the Wordhero AI. So this is very simple when people want to write an article like this, because when you writing a listing, this kind is a listing article. They are just listing a lot of opinions and then combine it together. Like if we are searching for the keywords self-improvement, like in the skyrocket, in a skyrocket way. So there will be a search result for this. So there will be a lot of things to study. Like in this one, so he had a lot of suggestions in this article. So there's self-improvement books, topics books, like examples, articles, something like this. Many people might think about how to build up like this one, maybe. Because when you build a lot of articles like this one, then you finally you can have a summarizing way to do the uh, page like this one, and then you are going to be the number one on the Google search results. And then this is the third one. So yeah, I think it's nice one, because this one will be easier for us to write. When you want to write an article like this one, you have a lot of supporting articles like this one. So maybe it's not easy. Then we should be starting with this one. Okay, when you have this idea, so first of all you will search. Let's see. Like this one is the SEO difficulty is not that difficult, right? 37, and a lot of people are searching for these articles. 2,700, and then how improve self-esteem. So maybe you can write a lot of sub headings like this one. So you can like using the Wordhero to write a new one. So let's start from the scratch. So you can headline. If we have to want to do the headlines, okay. Self improvement and self growing, self growth. Yes, like this one. And then you will have an article title to write: How to Unleash Your Potential for Success. 3 tips for massive self-improvement. Why you need to start working on what's personal development today. From rags to riches. How a man overcome the struggle and found self-improvement. And let's do this one, because it's more specific, and then we have something like this one. Yeah. So we are going to start the blog outlines. The author struggle self. This will be a self-introduction, and then there will be how the author found self-improvement, how to overcome his struggle conclusion. So how the author found. So there will be a listing. Let's listing points are self-improvement. Okay, like ways of improving, doing self-improvement. And for the intro part, let's see how this. Are you someone who likes to grow? Do you want to constantly? There will be some when everything is good, that can be even better. So this is quite inspiring way to do the introduction part for the whole article. Best ways for self-improvement and self-growth. Okay, something like this. And we are doing it in the similar way. So like this self-introduction side, like telling your own stories, like how I am. Let's see. I was a struggle and overcome. Build self-improvement. Can do it in this way. What struggle? Struggle and overcome. Build self-improvement. This will be a plot. Like, let's see what they are seek for self-improvement constantly, like to grow, right? Always something about we can improve on the human potential. So potential, this will be like a potential we are going to mention and continuously. So accomplish 40 best self-development ideas, best self-improvement ideas. Yes, change the words to growth, right? And then big steps which will cons consist long term. Let's say take a long term. Day and night, something like this one. So we will have intro part for this one and some kind of. Most people agree for self-employed is becoming more organized, reopening however, making change a lot. If you are looking for, here are some suggestions, are 4 suggestions, okay? And then we are just getting to the 4 suggestions, creating a self-plan, how to overcome our self-improvement. Yes, maybe we can start from here. From here, as we are using the rhyme, I used to say that the rhyme motion is like a rhyme mode will be a lot easier for us when we have a sample above. Then it will continue doing the writing for us. You need to work towards your goals. and then maybe not only 4, maybe 50. So this part will be the, let's say this one will be the first part, then let's go for the second part, how to offer. I don't know, this will be another how outrise. This will be a, let's mark it as H2 for this one, and then we can continue. We can continue. Oh no, it's going to. Uh, maybe let's go fine. Before you sell this one, and let's say now it is stop. The AI is stopping to provide us the ideas. So let's see. Use another tool, listicle. Yes. So listing points of self-improvement. Okay. Keep learning and grow. Make time for yourself every day. Yes. Let's do this. Import all. And then it will be number 6. Sorry. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Right, this one, this one, this one. And like stop at dot. So realistic goals. Realistic goals. This one will be a repeated one. So maybe not good. Okay, this repeated one. Don't be afraid asking for help. So let's see. Keep learning and growing. I think that it is quite the same, right? Let's see. Take up new courses, pick a new hobby, learn a new language. Wake up early, yeah, something like that. Let's see. You have to keep the pattern. Have to keep the pattern. So let's do it. Maybe not this one. So Again, if you have someone ask for it, this includes tracking. Okay, that's good. So maybe sometimes we need to write longer one than we have now. There will be another like if you want to write more, something like you may have someone ask for it. This includes us. So as like let's assume that we want to write another articles like this one. So you to be afraid ask for help. Help each other and grow together. Join some clubs. Same goal. Like you have a lot of you can assume that when people are joining a club, then they are having the similar goals or same goals, and then they want to hit it here, help each other, and then the AI going to write a new article for this one. The first sentence will be a lot of like repeated ones. So there's no time or anything that you need help. In fact, okay, this one is good. When ask for help, we also help others. So don't be afraid to ask for help. Okay, like it. Yeah, so this one will be okay. So and for the other pieces, like the first one, second one, third one, like let's test the create a plan of action, plan a realistic goals, plan of action, plan of action, create a plan of action like this one. So like smart principle and deadline, time limitation, monitor, bonus maybe, no. Okay, alright. Monitor like this will be a plan sheet. Yeah. If I mean for the plan sheet, maybe we are doing the affiliate project, so maybe we can do some sheet for people to share. Then you have internal link for the sheet and lead them to somewhere you can make money. My suggestion will be like that. Okay, then we are having yes, create a smart plan. That's the best way. Smart is an acronym. Yeah. Stands for specific minimum. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, this is the way we want to make more contents and fulfill a lot of contents like this one. And if you get me from something like this one. So let's go continue. Oh no, it's ask questions. Be persistent and focus on your goals. Maybe sometimes the write more will take like do the write more will be doing the listicle thing. So maybe the AI is not going to write kind of like this one. So never mind, but we just need to like this one, need to put it into the paragraphs, and then we have our own paragraphs. So like grow, organize, and stay on the top of things. Priority, like this one will be the priority, it, priority, and then we have something. First thing first, my goals. So, 80-20, like 80-20 principle, like that. 80-20 principle. Good. Like you have to be a little familiar with this kind of self-improvement topic. You need to know what will be talking, what will be using for the articles, like 7 ways to retain money, or spend more of every book you read. So you should read more, and like your mindset will be reading people's mind, like this one. What suggestions they might need, what principles they might need. You have to be at least for many people, you can persuade them to listen to you. And I think read more, listen more videos, articles, and or maybe we'll watch more videos that will help us in this kind of articles writing. If we don't have many ideas in our mind, then that will be a little difficult. So maybe you want to do this niche, you need to settle down. Like you read about 50 articles, and maybe try to write several articles, then you will have more and more ideas in generating the AI content. So let's try this one. Yes, it's like also giving some points. It's actually a paragraph, different paragraphs. So let's delete the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So we can read that. Check it out a little. Like one way to start, organize. Another one, tips by following the simple tips. Okay, 80-20 simple, like this one. You can also read another articles based on this one. Then eventually we will have a lot of articles like this one, and then summarize like into article like this one, and then we are able to rank on number 1 for this. And growth should be always learning goals. Okay, so this, like, we just need to continue our process, right? So this one, A, we have, then 9 and 10, 11, 12. So we already have 10, like 12. This one will be 11, and then will be 12, 13. Yeah. Thankful for you what you have. Keep optimistic, positive. 16, have fun. 16, let's remember, have fun. 10, number 10 is already have fun. Okay. So now, what is also let's do another listicle. Track your progress by low mode. Gallery with negative force. Be persistent. Persistent, I think persistent. Okay, this one has already have. Reward yourself already have. Get rid of negative force. And maybe be positive attitude. This one will be negative. Find a low model. Be really realistic goals. Right? Track your progress. Yeah, I think so. Evaluate. Track and evaluate. Maybe. This track your progress will be like this. So we're going to have a 17. Okay, find a role model. Ideas. Doing self-improvement. We sometimes we need to change a little of this input, right? Then the AI will work harder, I think. Yes. So let's import all and then find what get out of your comfort zone. Yeah, try something new. Try new things. I think I have helped. Set goals and stick to them. This one, be positive, be persistent. So the supported, surround yourself with the supported people. Okay, this one sounds new. Sounds new, like but familiar. Like I was in number 8, right? I said join some goals or something like that. Join some clubs, but it didn't. It doesn't. So it doesn't like the AI. It doesn't generate content like that. Join 19. So we have 20. All right. Okay. Have fun. All right. Self grow. Best ideas. Yes, we already have another game of run. I think that this will be like stay healthy. Okay, stay healthy. 21, stay healthy. To stay healthy, we have a lot of ideas. Let's try this one. Yes, these are not writing tacticals. Like when you are going to write an article, then you can use this. This might be an accident that I want to listicle something like this one, but eventually the AI was misunderstanding me, so it is mentioning how to stay healthy. So let's apply it. Right? So let's get it into a single point for the different listing ideas. Yes, it will be another. Like staying healthy, there are a few things you need to do. Second, eat healthy food. Third, finally, get enough sleep. Okay, then we have 21 with different points. So we can another thing. Let's go again. We, we have tried this one as a little slaughter yourself. How to ourselves. So Laudia, Laudia by supportive people. Yes, just ask the AI. Hmm. No, it's not. It's not. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see. This one will be the article diffusion. This one I will delete it. Then let's go find it. Let's delete all the I how to make friends, nurture relationships. Yes. Also do the supporting. Okay. Yes, this will be another way to make our point listing to be organized and making another separated small points like this one. So this will be more detailed and actionable for the people. So they will love this kind of content. So this will be an advantage than this kind of things, all right? But you have to make sure there may be some other uh, if we want to compete with this kind of content, we need to write another uh, articles like this one. So it's making a lot of internal links together. So one by one, we need to write some kind of contents like stay how to make like this one, how to stay healthy. This one will be just summarizing a few points or maybe the main points or important points here. So we need to um, staying healthy. There may be something like we need to write another article like this one. So this one will be handled like this in a similar way, because I think this already uh, show you enough how I am going to write an article like this one. So maybe not fulfill all the entire articles. And then most important thing is that when we want to rank an keyword, something like this one, this SEO difficulty will be 11. Maybe you can see that the 21 DA can also rank. So and only maybe 371 backlinks. Yeah, only 3 backlinks, 5 backlinks. That's not that much backlinks, and even no. Hmm, there's something wrong with this one. This one will be SEO difficulty. This is not an SEO difficulty. Activities. Maybe sometimes we will check about the ideas for more of this kind of content. We can have some other ideas like the health self-improvement workshop, self-improvement guides. Some important keywords should be embedded to this kind of contents, right? You need to understand that you need to maybe you have to make a list of this kind of ideas for this one. Maybe something like this one. Like if I am using Uber Stress, you can have like optimize for the keywords, then and they are doing an writing. So this kind of contents. Sorry, just back. Self-improvement. Generate title 10 self-improvement books every 3-5 7 for men, books for men. Something like this one, then go for another like this. There are a lot of things they can help us. And then when we use this one self improvement. When we use it's maybe keyword everywhere was so to the nail pattern. So it was just is providing something like this one, and we can use this kind of content into our articles to improve. So I am telling you how to improve and rank, because only writing is not enough to make sure we can run higher. Like and usually I will like self ideas. Or maybe something like this one. Books for self-improvement. Self-improvement. Books about self-improvement books. Podcast. These are not a lot of like I don't like it. Maybe not clear all. I think self-improvement ideas, self-improvement suggestions, improvement self-practice. Yes, only 10 ideas. Not that much, I think. So maybe just maybe you know what? I am doing this because have I have doubts because when we are going to write an article like this one, let's set the location as United States. English maybe set for the mobile, but we are checking the desktop, so let's do the desktop first, and then we will have something like this one, something like this one. It's the like a topic topic difficulty tracker. You will understand how the keyword is going to rank easily or index easily. Uh, so this top score achieved. The score is like let's say how the keywords are covered by the articles. The latent semantic keywords analysis analysis. So like needle. Okay. So when we have this kind of contents, will be copy like here, and when once we like let's see, I will show you this one 4-point needle. Okay, Yeah. So it is showing it is used. Yes, we are going to cover this keyword better. Keyword in this keyword assistant. All the keywords in the keyword assistant. So in this part, we are going to have the keyword inclusion for the articles because when we are writing an article, there will be necessary steps for the keywords. Here I already I think yes this article the semantic is showing you have to make some kind of the keywords included and then your articles your whole pages will be have something like this one when all the keywords turn green and concluded by the keyword AI. So that means we are not only writing all the things. So this one is only for demonstration, right? And we have to wait for this. Okay. Now the article is not finished yet, but we can copy see how this will be ranking for the okay 14.76. Let's see update and then unused. So in this part, you can see that there will be a lot of keywords we should include in our content. And when we use the like like 22, 22 free books of self-improvement, something like this wrong. And this self-improvement books, and then you can have a backlink like internal link. Internal link. Okay, this is what I mean. And then you can see now we are going to 16.19. This will be like we are going to have 70. This one will be a green type. This will be optimized. And when we apply all the keywords, so will be a closed mindset. Okay, 23 like closed mindset. Okay, let's stop the type 4. Confident to be high in confident, highly confident individuals. 5, I think we can use personal finance. 27, 26. Have finance plan. Yeah, we are going to like we only have 20 like this one with, but now we are using the topic modeling this kind of content to improve our not only improve our own content, but we are going to use it for the whole listing. Alternative behavior, alternative choices. Consider 6. Limited. Limit your alternative choices. Yeah, this one is only for me when I have, so this one will be like educating myself, like when I have a lot of choices, I will hesitate and make no action. So this will be for myself, like something like that, and then I am kind of creating a new kind of content, not only just copy and rephrase others' ideas, and then maybe there will be other people like that. They go over all the search results and find out what points we need to list it out, like something like that. But I usually don't do that because it's quite a time wasting, and maybe some days Google will detect that I am copying and rephrasing the content. So I am now totally made up myself. So for part of my ideas, so Google cannot detect all of it. Okay, feedback and have feedback from others, and then we can have negative to make corrective. Okay, something like this. So this one is like is I can show you this one. It's copy like what we used to do before. Paragraphs. Maybe not using have. Maybe you take no value either from others. Yes. When it comes to feedback, developing thinking about this kind of sentence, we maybe need to a little adjustment. And the one type of feedback is negative feedback. Here, the positive feedback depends on the backup how it is given. Okay. Then we having something corrective feedback. We can make the person feel. Yeah. So maybe it's not mentioning the corrective feedback. Make a sentence for that. So you have to make something like this kind of contents. They are naturally linking together. So maybe some corrective feedback. They are also okay. This is what I mean. Okay, this is what I mean for your entire articles. 28. Personal development schedule. It's like a lot another something like a plan. I think I think yes, it's boring. I have to say that you when you are create a plan of action, something is in fact this just a personal development schedule like career plan, career decade schedule, profession, professionality, lifestyle. Think think about the ideas, and then you have it. Can help you out with the career goals, plans for successful future. Personal development schedule is not difficult. Once you know, stop doing, you need to get there. The value of feedback. Oh, this one was uh, so this is what I mean. And then when we have let me show you maybe show you unused like quick. Check now. So 38, 28, maybe 30, 70, 80, 32. So in fact, in this model, that's showing that we use each and every keywords, and then the checker is still showing to us that we are not using enough. So this one will be non-optimized. So this is the thing, because at the beginning I want to train some kind of these keywords, because when the keywords are too raw, too big, and then this kind of top modeling will be quite difficult to specify, and the keywords we need to cover. Even though when we cover every keywords, this seems not quite enough. Okay, let's update this and let's check. Maybe that just too much on the list, so it's not showing me the self-improvement topic difficulty chapter. Never mind. So this is the tool that they are going to help me in my daily writing, and when we want to rank higher. I will share a link on the video description, then you can go there, maybe consider how to use it, because there are only 3 tools I am going to. Now you can see that this is the tool. So it is 79 on APP Sumo for this kind of content improving for SEO optimizing. This one, then when you have this kind of improvement, you will be ranked higher maybe, and you rank more keywords also. So this is what I am going to emphasize, because only writing a lot of things like this one will not guarantee your article works. This is my point. And maybe your writing is great, and then you can improve the content into a very great article. Maybe you can work on there. But I don't think everyone can do this. So that's why I am suggesting people use this kind of tools. It can also help us track the ranking prediction. So realistic goals, self-improvement, most people, let's not. Okay, let's say that this kind of content is super easy, not And the most difficult part will be you write a lot of articles like this one and link them together. Eventually, your ranking will be high enough to beat your competitors. Something like this. Just meditate. Oh, write a lot of things. So we write different contents using different tools to help us. Uh, that's, that's what I am suggesting. Like, first you can manually check the SEO, the Google ranking results. The second way may be rewrite some of these ideas. The third one will be using keyword tools like UBSRS and maybe like this kind of uh, pictures. Maybe people also ask a lot of things like this one. You need to answer the questions on the article, then you can confirm by checking. Like let's for example, how many self-help books on Amazon? Yeah, how many self-help books sold on 2020? Let's list some data on this one and introduce the best seller like the most popular self-improvement books in 2012 or 2022, something like this one. Then you have the affiliate articles, not like this one. Maybe this one is not introducing too much books. We can do that. Don't don't limit your ideas because you can use this kind of content to help people. But I think maybe listing it is just to get more visitors, get more ranking. Maybe the major purpose is not monetizing. So you can see like this one. Start here, courses for gear, live action shop. Like they are doing their shops. So and for the conclusion, you can like use this one. Let's see what will be the conclusion for this article. Yeah, it's a simple conclusion. We can also do this one like conclusion. The conclusion will be copy the headlines. My usual way for the conclusion is like this one. I pin the conclusion so you can see here. Yeah, right for me. You can choose when you read. So let's assume the second will be the best. The curriculum is just evident that man can come with soccer and soccer movement despite the odds. Empowering story. Yes. Maybe we can like setting a role that I myself improve, and then I want to introduce some of my ideas to help you out, something like that. Just shoot, but we can compete with this kind of yeah, of content. and eventually maybe we can track all these modelings. Uh, Maybe this tool cannot quite measure this self-improvement, but we can see when you have a writing 6,000 words article, there will be a lot of optimized content. Don't worry about the SEO, the optimized score here. I think last time I did some like if you using a like something like this one, maybe there will be a 60, 70, like 80 score you can have something like this one. You can reset another keywords for this one maybe, but for this quite big keywords, it's just showing the limited uh, keywords to be covered. Okay, thank you. So maybe let's stop here, and then all of this, all of this you can use the similar method like this one to build it. Uh, Thank you.